What is a built-in way in JavaScript to check if a string is a valid number? I'm hoping there's something in the same conceptual space as the old VB6's is numeric function. To check if a variable, including a string, is a number, check if it is not a number. This works regardless of whether the variable content is a string or number. Is nan, num, returns true if the variable does not contain a valid number. Examples. Is nan 123 false? Is nan 123 false? Is nan 1e10,000 false? This translates to infinity, which is a number. Is nan 4 true? Is nan 10px true? Of course, you can negate this if you need to. For example, to implement the is numeric example you gave. To convert a string containing a number into a number, only works if the string only contains numeric characters, else it returns nan. Examples. To convert a string loosely to a number, useful for converting 12 pixels to 12, for example. Examples. Floats. Bear in mind that, unlike plus num, parseInt, as the name suggests, will convert a float into an integer by chopping off everything following the decimal point. If you want to use parseInt, because of this behavior, you're probably better off using another method instead. Empty strings. Empty strings may be a little counterintuitive. Plus num converts empty strings or strings with spaces to 0, and is nan assumes the same, but parseInt does not agree. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.